Hello guys, how are you? Are you ready to watch this video? We will talk today about the economy. Economy is important for every country growth. It's mean that if economy of any country is growing, then we can say that that country is developing. For the improvement of the country should take the good decisions or strong decisions should take. If country is taking the good decisions, it's mean that that country will make a, a good and prominent place in world scenario. Country should start the projects about the ideas which are important. It may be like IT sectors, agriculture sector, industrial states, and lots of the big ideas which will be the good for your country. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay with us.